What if I told you there's a bomber so advanced, most of its capabilities are still classified? One designed to penetrate enemy airspace without ever being seen. Meet the B-21 Raider, the United States' next-generation stealth bomber. Built by Northrop Grumman, it's not just a replacement for older bombers, it's the future of global air power. In this video, we will break down what makes the B-21 so revolutionary, why it changes the game, and what it means for the future of warfare. Let's start with the basics. The B-21 Raider is a long-range, stealth strategic bomber developed under the U.S. Air Force's Long-Range Strike Bomber program. It's designed to carry both conventional and nuclear payloads, with deep strike capability in highly contested environments. The name Raider honors the Doolittle Raiders of World War II, a subtle nod to strategic surprise. The B-21 was first unveiled in late 2022, but nearly everything about it remains tightly under wraps, and that's intentional. What do we know? It features next-generation stealth, modular open systems architecture, and digital twin technology for rapid upgrades. The heart of the B-21 is stealth. Northrop Grumman calls it the first sixth-generation aircraft, designed to be virtually invisible across the full electromagnetic spectrum. Every angle, panel, and material is optimized to absorb, deflect, or scatter radar waves. Even its engine intakes and exhausts are shrouded to eliminate infrared and radar signatures. The B-21 also incorporates radar-absorbing materials that are easier to manufacture and maintain than those used on the B-2 Spirit. That alone is a breakthrough. One of the biggest challenges with the B-2 was costly and time-consuming maintenance of its stealth coating. Unlike the B-2, which cost over $2 billion per unit, the B-21 aims for under $700 million. It uses modern manufacturing techniques like advanced composites and 3D printing to streamline production. While still expensive, it's built to be sustainable and scalable. And scale it will. The U.S. Air Force plans to acquire at least 100 B-21s, with some projections suggesting that number could reach 150 or more. The Raider is intended to replace both the B-1B Lancer and B-2 Spirit, consolidating America's long-range strike capability into one highly survivable platform. But it's not just about replacing airframes. It's about modernizing the entire doctrine. In future conflicts, the B-21 won't be flying predictable routes with aging avionics. It will be part of a networked force, leveraging real-time data, artificial intelligence, and multi-domain integration. Each Raider is designed with open architecture software, allowing rapid upgrades without overhauls. Think AI co-pilots, plug-and-play sensor modules, and electric warfare packages that evolve as threats do. The B-21 won't operate alone. It's built to integrate with a broader force structure. That means working seamlessly with satellites, NGAD fighters, and stealth drones like the XQ-58 Valkyrie. This isn't just about dropping bombs, it's about controlling the battle space. Imagine this: a B-21, undetected, enters contested airspace. It launches a swarm of autonomous drones to map radar signatures, jam enemy systems, and decoy incoming fire. It coordinates via secure data links with F-35s and satellites in orbit. Then when the moment is right, it strikes. This is the new playbook: manned-unmanned teaming, dynamic targeting, and integrated strike packages. The B-21's survivability is its superpower. It's built to penetrate airspace defended by top-tier systems like Russia's S-400 or China's HQ-9. These systems were designed to take down legacy aircraft, not something that can't be seen, heard, or tracked. It's also built for endurance. With mid-air refueling and extended range, the B-21 can strike targets globally without ever leaving U.S. soil. That creates a new layer of strategic unpredictability. Adversaries can no longer assume safety based on geography. And let's not forget its nuclear capability. As a leg of the nuclear triad, the B-21 is a crucial deterrent. It brings flexibility that ICBMs and submarines cannot. A pilot with human judgment, recallable missions, and scalable response options. Where did this begin? The B-21 program was born out of a necessity. The US needed a platform that could survive the modern A2, AD, anti-access / area denial environments. Development started around 2015, with Northrop Grumman beating out a Boeing Lockheed Martin team for the contract. Years of research and billions in funding have gone into making the Raider what it is today. And while some criticize the cost, others argue that in a future where satellite networks, hypersonic weapons, and cyber warfare dominate, survivable platforms like the B-21 are non-negotiable. It's the kind of project where secrecy isn't just strategy, it's survival. Globally, the B-21 sends a strong signal. To Russia and China, it represents a leap they have not yet matched. While China is working on its own stealth bomber, the H-20, it hasn't yet flown, and Russia's PAC-DA remains a paper plane for now. The Raider reshapes deterrence. It's no longer enough to have surface-to-air defenses. Adversaries must now consider the risk of undetectable precision strikes. That uncertainty alone shifts strategic calculus. With rising tensions over Taiwan, the South China Sea, and Eastern Europe, the B-21 doesn't just enhance military operations, it changes the board. There's also a cyber layer to this evolution. The B-21 is built with a hardened system that resists electronic intrusion. In future conflicts, digital resilience is just as important as physical stealth. Cyber attacks can ground fleets, blind radars, or mislead command chains. The Raider is engineered to operate even in degraded information environments. Northrop Grumman is integrating multi-level security software and redundant communication protocols to ensure that even under cyber duress, the B-21 remains mission ready. It's not just invisible, it's unbreakable. And finally, there's the human factor. The pilots who will be flying the B-21 are not just operators, they're decision makers in a battle space that moves at the speed of thought. These aviators will train in next-gen simulators using virtual reality, AI-assisted tactics, and real-time mission rehearsal. The B-21 is being paired with an entirely new training pipeline that prepares aircrews to manage autonomous systems, process vast data inputs, and make critical calls in seconds. It's not just about flying, it's about commanding a fleet from the cockpit. This evolution in aircraft doctrine reflects a bigger truth. The future of warfare is fast, complex, and unforgiving, and the B-21 is built to meet that head-on. A message that the skies are changing, that dominance isn't about brute force, it's about precision, stealth, and adaptability. The B-21 Raider is the tip of the spear. If you want to stay updated on the future of military aviation, stealth technology, and game-changing platforms like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below on what you want to see next. NGAD, J-20, Valkyrie, we cover it all. Thanks for watching. This is the future, and we just took flight.